your little chops as long as you want. You ain't getting any.
You're not getting any steak, cheese, peppers, and onions. Bad for dog.
No, no. No,
This is
no.
definitely sticking with it though.
The eyes are like sad eyes. Very sad eyes. I know. Very sad. I just want you to know. I'm sorry, but you can't have this. Nope, don't be giving me the paw. I don't want the paw either because you cannot have this.
She's doing like mini hit paws.
Oh.
And the door was empty before the fire. Lock was broken off by the fire. Right there.
Lily,
Somebody wanted whatever.
she can't even look over here. She's like, no, I can't look over there.
Boss.